Enabling dark mode in Truecaller app is a simple process that helps reduce eye strain and saves battery on OLED screens. Follow the step-by-step guide below to turn it on quickly on Android or iOS devices. Step 1. Launch the Truecaller app from your smartphone home screen. Make sure you are logged into your account to access full settings. Step 2. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner or the three-dot menu in the top right corner depending on your device version. Step 3. From the menu options, select Settings. This is where all app preferences are managed. Step 4. Scroll down and tap on Appearance. In some versions, this may be under the General section of settings. Step 5. You will see options such as Light Mode, Dark Mode, or System Default. Step 6. Tap Dark Mode to activate it. The app interface will instantly switch to a darker background for better nighttime viewing comfort. Step 7. Exit settings and return to the main screen. Your Truecaller app will automatically apply dark mode across all pages. Now your Truecaller is successfully set to dark mode, making it easier on the eyes and more visually comfortable during low light usage. Additional tips. If you do not see the appearance option, update the Truecaller app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You can also enable System Default mode so Truecaller automatically follows your phone's dark theme settings. Dark mode improves readability in low light, reduces glare, and can help extend battery life on AMOLED displays during long usage sessions for better overall user experience, smooth performance.